Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back, showstoppers, and if you are new, welcome. So guys, you all know what I'm about. Doing DIY face masks. This week we've got the Gelatine, turmeric, tea tree oil and honey face mask. Obviously I've made it here. As you can see, I've mixed it all together. I'm just going to show you a little bit of my face. Yeah, the aim is to remove some of my upper lip line sort of hairs and to get rid of some of the blackheads. That's the consistency. As you can see, it's quite runny. I just heat it up in the microwave, heat up the milk, and then I mix it all in. You need a clean brush that you're going to apply the mask to your face with. I obviously cleanse my face beforehand with a small hand towel, make sure my face was clean, and now I'm going to start applying it. You can do it in whichever direction you like. I just experimenting with it, and yeah, this is how I'm doing mine. And it's quite a lengthy process actually, and it's very sticky business here, but it's got to get done. We've got to be looking young and fabulous, making sure we're glowing. So I hope that if you guys could please leave some comments if any of you showstoppers have tried my last week's video, which was the turmeric yogurt and honey. It was amazing actually. So I hope you tried it. Leave some comments there if there's any mask, DIY mask you'd like to see me do. I love experimenting with new things, and that's what I'm all about. So yeah, as you can see here, I just keep applying it. It's getting a little bit thick actually, but it's not too bad, so I'm just going to keep going. And as you can see, it's getting thicker. At this stage I think I was supposed to get up and go up and heat it up, but I didn't. I just continued, so I'm just going to carry on with that, making a big gooey mess on my face, but I'm looking forward to the results. I've heard that, I've seen some reviews, and actually I've done it before, to be honest, and it is very painful because it pulls out literally all the hairs on your face. You're gonna have nothing left on your face, so make sure all your baby hairs and everything are covered up, so you don't brush any of the products into it, because if you do, they're coming off, and that's not easy. So I'll continue to do that, move into my forehead very delicately and very carefully, because the last thing you want, like I said, is to make sure the product does not get into your hair, because that really hurts. It hurts like crazy. Ow, I think I might have just touched something there. Getting very thick. I should get up, but I'm still sitting down. Gonna keep pushing. Alright, as you can see, I'm avoiding my eyebrows very much, because the last thing I want is to have no eyebrows for the next 3 months, because I pull them off doing my DIY mask. Please, when you do try this mask, make sure you're only doing it once a month. I would recommend. If you've got a lot of blackheads and stuff like that, perhaps once a fortnight, but be very careful you don't use it too much. In this instance I've used the turmeric, but you could use this with charcoal. You could use it with clay, like clay mask and gelatin. There's a lot of options that you can do. It just pretty much gives you a very deep cleanse, and yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, it's getting a bit too much, isn't it? Alright, and we are nearly done. So there you go guys, it's all dried up. I'm feeling it, and the chunky bits are not completely dry, but I'm just saying my little prayer before I pull it off. As you do, this stuff is full on very painful, trust me, but it is worth it. Beauty comes with pain, don't they say that? I think they do. So I'm just going to start off from the bottom of my chin, pulling it upwards. Oh, look at my eyes. Oh my god, it's so painful, I swear. Oh, this is so painful. And I thought my pain tolerance was quite high, but nope. This one has got tears coming to my eyes. So you just gotta start. Make sure you give yourself time. Peel a little bit off at a time, and then press on it so it's not as painful, because it's removing all the tiny little hair that you can't see. And I like to go around all the edges first and peel it off gently before I can have a big rip off. So I'll keep doing that because I'm trying to make sure that I peel it all off and it's still intact. As you can see, the process is quite gradual, but it's getting there. It's pulling everything out, like literally there's gonna be nothing left later but flawless skin. That is what is keeping me going. I've just got to try and breathe. Let's breathe. And it gets too intense, so I have to stop. Take a break. Have a full-on break. If you've got some water, drink some. If your face would still move. And take your time with this process, guys. Alright, there. Got a big chunk off. I need to have a break. And I'm still going because I'm so strong. Oh my god. There you go. Still going. Trying to bring it home. I'm going to let you guys listen because you can hear it. You can actually hear me rip it off. So I'm just going to be quiet for 30 seconds. And you listen for yourself. Okay guys, so right there, as you can see, I'm struggling because it's kind of stuck to my hair and I don't want to pull it off, and I just did. I pulled off some of my baby hairs around there. You probably can't see them in the camera because I still don't know how to use this, but that little bit was covered with all hairs. I'm not sure if you can see anything. Looking back on it now, I can't see nothing, but I promise you that was all hairs from the side of my sideburns there. I'm just going to continue gently removing the mask from the top, making sure that I don't remove any of my own hair, because the struggle of baby hair is too real in this world. So I'm going to try and make sure we don't pull any off. And look at that. Oh wow. Oh my god. Just listen to it, yeah? That is an intense experience. Seriously, it is intense. So painful. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need a break. It gets more painful around the lip area because that's where all the hairs and everything. Do you know when you put on your makeup, you've got that little shadow on your upper lip there? Moustache kind of thing. Yep, that is all coming off and it is painful. I'm just going to go back to the top again and going to gently pull it. What I try to do actually was I pressed it first, pressed it down, and then used my fingertips to gently remove it. So stuck, it's actually stuck to my face. As you can see, I'm being very careful there because it is painful, and unfortunately it is removing a little bit of my own natural hair there. But we're nearly done, just a little bit more to go, guys. So I do recommend you do this mask. I'm not sure if I said this before. I hope I'm not repeating myself. But I do recommend you do it once a month. If you're brave, maybe you can do it once a fortnight. If there's a lot that you need to get it off in your skin, look at that. But I can already feel, and I can already see my skin is looking good. Like it's obviously I've got trouble skin, but that's why I'm here. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, that is so painful. I just need to have a break. That was intense. I'm just gonna continue pulling that down, making sure that I don't rip any of the sensitive skin under my eye. There you go. Oh my god, painful as hell. It's so painful. My eyes are starting to tear up. I'm literally tearing up. Like I feel my eyes are just about to burst into tears. My nose area was not as bad because my nose is quite oily, but I still got loads and loads of whiteheads and blackheads pulled out with this. Oh wow, this is the worst. The worst pain is doing ow. That bit there was just like so painful. Oh my god. And it's out. I can't believe I did that. I'm so proud of myself. So guys, I do say when you want to do this mask, just know that it is going to hurt. It's not that it's not unbearable. It is bearable, but it is going to hurt like crazy. So there I go, obviously peeling off the little bits that are left. There they are, just trying to cleanse my skin. Having a little break, I guess, so just taking off the little bits and pieces. My skin feels amazing, and I'm just pretty much looking at the mask and how much crap, excuse my language, how much it removed from my face. Like seriously, I don't know how to make sure you can see this. You probably can't see this. I'll be an expert at the end of this, but there was so much hair, there was so many blackheads and whiteheads on it, from my nose, from my entire face, and you see my eyes are tearing. They were tearing out like legit. Wow, that's intense. So I'm just gonna keep looking at it. I want to put it back again. I wish. I'm just joking. Oh, look at that, lots of kisses. There you go. Yeah, you probably can't see it. I'm just sharing with you what I went through. And there I am, just before I go wash my face off. We're coming towards the end of the video, so it feels amazing. The skin feels so smooth. You can see my blemishes and everything, but it actually feels great, fresh. It feels like there's nothing left on my skin. Just need to wash myself and give myself a good moisturizer. Oh, there I am. Oh my goodness. So I've washed my face. Obviously there's no makeup on, as you can see. You can see all my blemishes, but my skin feels amazing. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please join me again next week for my new upload, and please subscribe below. Thank you.